Hi, it's Marielle, Momandagirlwithplans, and I'm really excited today to be opening a super special, awesome delivery from the Happy Planner. This is a holiday box set that is available exclusively at Michael's stores. This will not be available on the Happy Planner site. It is only available at Michael's, and it's available right now. I will be doing a unboxing to show you what's inside, but also wanted to give you a heads up that I am teaching a class on Friday at noon that will go a little bit more in detail into what's in this box, and we'll do a project with it. So I have not looked inside yet. Honest, I'm really excited to check it out. So let's do it. I should probably, okay, I'm gonna go get scissors. Hold on. Got my scissors. Let's do this. I'm glad it's not taped all the way down. I can just do the edge. There we go. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Oh, so cute. Christmas is my favorite holiday. And this paper with the little trucks, cars, and oh my gosh, there's like a little bus. It's adorable, like a Volkswagen. So cute. I'm like, I don't even want to rip this cute sticker. I'm gonna be very, very, very careful. Can I do it? No, not happening. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay, Marielle. You can rip one sticker, right? I'll just rip the paper. There we go. Ta-da. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love the colors because there's traditional, but there's also the pink and teals added in, which give that non-traditional feel. This says Happy Holidays, Be Happy Box. Oh my gosh. So here's what's inside. Let's check it out. Okay, first up, okay, it looks like it's a holiday advent calendar. That's really cute. And then, okay, I've just got to see what this is all about. Happy Holidays, and it's got the red discs, which I love. Beautiful poinsettias and the gold foil. It's got dots on the inside. Okay, it's like a mini planner. So you've got December, parties, cards and gifts and notes. Okay, let's just pull this off here and check it out. So for December, okay, it's an undated December. So you can use this anytime. Although, I mean, come on, you know we're going to want to use it this year. And let's see. Oh my gosh, it's got the fun stripes, merry and bright, and then a very simple week. Oh, I love that. Okay, so it's the same throughout. And then it's got a check it off. I'll pull this up. A check it off, important, and then just lines of paper. That's perfect. Oh my gosh, warm wishes. That is so cute. Let's check the inside. Okay, it's got helpful tips for a fun cookie exchange. Really cute. And then it's got like party planning, time, date, location, guests. That's really cute. Oh, and then, so there's party planning in this section and holiday recipes. Okay, we've got gift cards, Christmas card list, gift list, notes, and then, oh, this paper's so pretty. Okay, so we've got that. Let's see what else is in this box. Ooh, we've got some cards. These are really cute. Some stickers. Looks like some gift box stickers. These look really fun. Here, I'll just open them really fast. Okay. So we've got this, gift box stickers, yeah, and some cute extra icons. Very fun. What is this? Oh, cool. Oh, whoa. Okay, this is a gift bag book. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is like perfect. It's got the tissue paper. Oh my gosh, so there's a bunch of tissue paper and then cute boxes, and they've got the really good, ribbon strings on them. So they can handle, oh my gosh, that's really pretty. Happy holidays, and then trees. Oh, these, I love that color. And then stripes. Oh, wow. So there's 5 bags with tissue paper. This is pretty awesome. This will come in handy when you're ready for gifts. I think this is adorable. I just especially love this little mini December planner. I think it's fantastic. So I'm excited to use this. And if you join me on Friday at noon Central Time on the Michaels website, I'll add a link in the comments so that you can sign up for the class. I'll go over everything that's included in a little bit more detail, and we'll do a fun project. So please join me, and thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks. Have a great week.